Hi everyone! I'm applying for the dual citizenship. In-approve na nila yung dual citizenship January this year. So, tingnan natin kung ano mga requirements. Today is my first appointment. Siguro interviewin lang ako. Well, they didn't ask any requirements yet. So, let's see. Follow me in my journey with my dual citizenship here in Germany. Lalo na dun sa mga Pilipinang gusto rin mag-dual citizenship. Let's see what will happen next. Bye!